Go explore planet Earth with our 2400 lumen LED area light, the perfect outdoor light for all of your adventure needs. It's easy to set up and dimmable, so you can dial in just the right level of ambience when you go bush. Simply use the wireless remote control to change the light settings from on, off and through to low, medium or high. Running from an external power source, the light has 12-volt operation and comes with an extra long 5-metre cable. It's all put together with weather-resistant connections to make sure it's usable even in less than perfect conditions. This little beauty has an LED panel, so it's safe and cool to touch, and it comes with a padded carry bag, so it won't get bunged up when you're travelling. Setting up and assembling the light is always easy. Start by securing the light panel to the top of the pole. Then adjust to the desired position. Secondly, attach the cables and choose if you'll be using the 12-volt plug or alligator clips to power the light. Then simply choose where you need your light and push your ground stake into the ground in that spot. Then you can sit your light pole inside the ground stake and extend the pole to the height you require. And the pole can extend up to 2.5 metres, which will give you pretty good light spread, and it's fully adjustable on your remote control. That's it folks, something else to help you get the most out of the great outdoors. Now, just go and explore planet Earth.